Good morning and welcome to a video. It is 9:36, December 20th. It's a Thursday, and I've been doing a lot of samurai stuff, like behind the scenes samurai stuff. So, hi Paco. So I haven't been filming much of that, but I'm doing something cool today that I've been wanting to do for a long time. So as you see, the Supra's up on blocks, and I'm going, let me just show you. Let me show you real quick what I'm doing. Ugh. So right here is a cat, and I'm going to take that out today. This bolt I've already started to take off. I got the hardware or the tools right there, and that bolt's going to break. I can feel it. I'm turning this side, it's going quick, 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 and this side's not moving at all, so that bolt's going to snap. It might have already, I don't know, but before I get too far ahead of myself, I wanted to do a start before and after comparison, so I gotta film that real quick, and I'm gonna take this out definitely today. I might take that resonator out, or muffler, or whatever it is, and then I want to take the fat cannon off the back, which isn't really a cannon because it's stock. Ugh. But I don't know if I'm gonna get all three out off today. I'm gonna try. See this thing right here? Look at how big this thing is. There's a hole in it, and it's just... it makes my Supra not sound good. What's up, dogs? 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 I got the cat out. Yeah. It's actually super easy. Look at this. I don't know if you can see.
I'll be in the garage, okay?
You can see the little light.
I'm gonna leave that door open.
She's clogged. I got the cat out, Pop.
Oh, cool.
Look at this. All the insides are still in there.
Is it still good? Oh yeah, it is still good, huh?
Yeah.
Huh. I'd sell it. Cats are worth a lot. You could get $50 for that.
Probably, huh?
At least 25.
Yeah. I'm gonna start her up again. With no cat. So right now it would be straight piped from like midway back. It's just the down pipe from the turbo, and then after that's nothing. It's straight piped, it's just turbo and like 4 feet of exhaust. I want to see how loud it is.
Yeah.
Alrighty, we're in the straight pipe Supra, and we're gonna go for the first test drive. Oh, she sounds good. Man, she sounds good. Oh, you can hear the turbo so good. I don't know if you guys can hear it. I'm sure you probably can. Oh man, it sounds good. I like it. I like it a lot. It's staying. It's staying. It's gonna have to stay. me in trouble. This is cool. This is great. This is just, it's just great. Oh, and there's some backfiring. Okay, I'm gonna set you guys down and just enjoy this for a second. Alrighty, so we're going for a little highway drive to see how bad it drones. Because here on the 28th and 29th, I'm heading up to Alamo. Okay, Mustang. I'm heading up to Alamo to just hang out with Richard up there. And I might build the exhaust for this. I was gonna do that today in this video, so I was gonna build the exhaust. And I ended up liking the way it sounds. So right now I'm going 60. Let's get it up to 80. I'm in 5th, so it's taking forever. Okay, that's 80. So I'll probably be cruising at like 80 or 85. I'm going 80 now. And it wasn't droning that bad, like at all. I don't know if you guys can hear the exhaust. You can probably hear the wind noise. This is my driver window leaks, so. Sick. But yeah, I'm super excited with the sound. I really like it. So I'm not gonna build the exhaust yet. However, I feel it rumbling like on my butt. My butt's vibrating, which is never good. It's not good at all. So, so yeah, I will see you guys in a bit. I want to show you the other couple things I did under the hood. Nothing crazy, maybe like a horsepower or 2 gain, but I'll show you that in a bit. So I'll see you guys in a few. I'll tell you what, this car rips and sounds so good now. Oh man, it sounds good. It sounds like a straight pipe, straight 6, straight pipe, straight 6. Hell yeah. I went for my little test drive, which was successful. And I told you I'd show you some stuff that I did. I'll show you. Let me show you what I did. Hi, Sophie. Ooh. Uh-oh, saw out of focus. Alright. So, what I was saying, thanks to my buddy Chris. I met this guy on Instagram. It was pretty cool. And he lives up in Santa Teresa. He gave me this and all these silicone hoses right here. There's this one, that one, this one. There's a new blow-off because mine didn't work, so it just was a lot of turbo flutters, like, and now it doesn't do that. It's like, I don't know. You've probably heard it. What's up, cat? It's different because that blow-off actually works. Mine didn't work, and it was just forcing the air back into the turbo, which sounds sick, but it's not good. So, and yeah, there's just little silicone hoses everywhere. There's one there. These two were hard to get to. I have. What are you doing, dog? What's up, dog the cat? What's up, little dude? Come here. Right. I have the silicone. Here, don't burn yourself on anything, alright? Careful, stuff is hot. I have this hose right down here, but that's gonna be a nightmare to get to, so I'm not too worried. I got this one, which I don't know if you remember from when I was doing the plug wires and the maintenance a long time ago. This had a crack, so I got a silicone one right there, so that's super sick. And what's up, dude? What's up, dude? Jeez, I swear. That's the most chill cat in the entire world. And there's just a couple little random ones, but it's super, super sick. And he gave them to me for free. So thank you, Chris. I know you're watching. Like I said, his Instagram will be down below. I did this a while ago. I'm just now filming it, though, because I didn't think it would be worth or enough stuff to be its own video, because it didn't take that long. But, actually, you know what? That one right over there, that one took a long time. This one was pretty hard, getting down, way down in there. That was pretty nightmarish. Oh, and then I took out the charcoal canister. It was right here, big old fat charcoal canister. I took that out, and, oh, you know what? I gotta do this, because I was cleaning yesterday. I cleaned this, and I forgot to plug these back in, and it didn't run any different with them off, meaning I don't need them, but I don't want dust getting in there, so I would like to eventually eliminate all the vacuum. Well, I've told you before, I want to get an intake that goes here and comes off this way, like the JZ's. which they make. They're super expensive though, so not anytime soon. But yeah, so that straight piped exhaust, well, it's not even straight piped, it ends right right there is where it ends, so like right by the mirror is where it ends, which, whoa, cat, look at him, look at him, look at him. Him and Sophie are playing. Can you see her? No, you can't see her, but there's the cat. Oh man, where is she? Full stealth mode. Anyways, in case you're wondering if you should straight pipe your vehicle, if it's a V6, don't do it. They sound terrible. If it's a V8, you should. That should have already been done a long time ago. 4 cylinders, unless it has a turbo, I'd say no go, because then they're just too loud. And if you have a straight 6, they all just sound like V8s when you straight pipe them. So hey, I better do that. And but anyways, I would say I'm very happy with how it sounds overall. I do plan to bring it out to the back so it, you know, I won't have to worry about that. Oh geez, Sophie's throwing stuff at the cat. It's okay, the cat's too fast. Yeah, so I plan to finish the exhaust, not today, and then I have a couple other things I want to do as far as the Supra goes, like I might try to make the hood prop today. I showed you that in a video a long time ago. I think that was the video where I was fine-tuning the fitment on all the fiberglass. And then another day I have coil packs that Chris also gave me from an IS300. This is either from an IS300 or like an LS400? I don't know. I don't know if it came off the NA2J or a 1UZ. I don't know. I'm not 100% sure. I'd have to ask him. I forgot. But it is that one. It's the Lexus one. And I have the coil packs, so they're going to go like this. I'm not going to mount them right here because they look retarded. Actually, I might try and mount them, I don't know, somewhere out of the way, but then I'd have to get longer plug. I'm not going to mount them out of the way. I'm just going to mount them right there where they are. I think. I don't know. We'll get to it when the time comes. All right, Sophie? Uh-huh. Sure. And, but I have to extend this harness right here, which isn't a problem. I just haven't done it yet because I'm being lazy. But that should make it run a little bit more primo. And, yeah, I need to clean this engine. It's freaking... She is filthy, I tell you what. No bueno. I cleaned that yesterday, so that looks all good. Look at that, it's shining in the sun. It's probably gonna be the end of this video. There's a lot of talking. I'm sorry about that. Some of you don't like that, I know that. But for the ones that do, you're welcome. And if you stayed this long, thanks. Remember to like and subscribe. And stay tuned for the next one, which should be a banger. I'm probably gonna work on the exhaust some more in the next one, maybe. I don't know. Doggo, doggo, cat. Whoa. This cat is an animal. Look at him. Look at that dude. What are you doing up there, bro?